Hello everyone, Skills Train Spotter 1999 here, and today I am at Nuneaton on the main part of the West Coast main line. The train that brought me in from Stafford is 350-122, bound for London Euston, forming the 11:35 service. Sorry, if it's going to depart any second, hopefully it is. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, while we're waiting for that, actually, you'll be seeing services by London Midland, cross country and Virgin trains. Hopefully a bit of freight in there as well, but who knows, there's not that certainty. I thought it was departing then. You'll be seeing stopping services mainly by cross country and London Midlands, and you'll see zooming services through to Virgin trains. So that's our outlook today. I'm just trying to keep the conversation going while this thing is about to leave. Actually, you know what, we'll just leave. Oh wait, it's going, I just heard the whistle. So yes, that's the first train of the day. Let's see what else will turn up. It's going to be a cross-country Voyager, speeding through. And that's bound for London Euston from Chester. I think that's delayed because that's not on the that's not on the board, so, but it's not on my notepad, I meant, sorry. So I imagine that's a delayed service. And approaching now, we have a cross-country Turbo Star or Class 170. Bound for Birmingham New Street. It's the 11:43 service. One 171L. And the next train to approach is going to be a 390 Pendolino bound for London Euston. And that was from Manchester Piccadilly. And the 170-110 is ready to leave for Birmingham New Street. Right, approaching now is going to be the 11:52 service bound for Stansted Airport. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's just come around the little flyover. I can't see the numbers, so I'll catch it when she departs out to Stansted. Okay, and the 11:52 service bound for Stansted Airport is now ready to depart. 170, 113. And approaching now is going to be the 11:54 London Midland service bound for Crewe via Stoke-on-Trent. And at the same time, I think we should have a Virgin Pendolino about to pass by, bound for Manchester Piccadilly. That is 350, 370. And approaching now is going to be a Class 390 Pendolino. Doing a nice tilt there, bound for Manchester Piccadilly. Don't think anything wants to stop that. And also we have the 11:54 service ready to depart for Crewe. Right, I have decided to relocate the position. There's a network rail stone blower, just saying. Not because of that, it's just because this seems a much better vantage point for more trains and stuff, and also in cover so I can get away from the rain. And now I think I shall return to my position, which I was originally in, because I thought as well the Coventry train came through this way, but it doesn't. It comes through another way. It's a London Midlands 150, I think. So in essence, I've walked up the platform twice. No reason at all, but you know. Oh, oh, it's here. 390. Now that's not stopping. And that was from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. No wonder it's in an hurry. It wants to get away from Liverpool, and I don't blame that. Good idea, mate. Full throttle it. And here we have the I think it's a 153. I can't see. I'll see when it goes out, which is going to be in about 10-15 minutes. And now we have 390 Virgin Pendolino again, bound for Liverpool Lime Street this time. I think that was 390 117. I'm not 100% sure. And as I'm back in my position, I can see the two 153s now, looking charming, I guess. One of them is 153 356, and there's another one which this wall's blocking me. 153 383 or 384. Oh, it's one of them. I'll find out when it departs. Right, I've just seen the 153 there. It's 153 364 with 153 356. So yes, that will be both the 153s that will depart off to Coventry for the 12:14 service. And in a sec we should have a passing Voyager bound for Chester, hopefully. So now approaching, we're going to have the 12:10 cross-country service bound for Birmingham New Street from Stansted Airport. So it's going to do the express runs past I'm just waiting for this Voyager to pass us. Hopefully it does pass. And that's going to be 170, 112. Who would have guessed it? My God, that looks a busy crane. Here we are, I'm passing now. It's going to be the Virgin Crane Super Voyager, bound for Chester. And now we have the 170, 112 from the 1210 service bound for Birmingham New Street is ready to depart. And the 1214 service bound for Coventry now departing with 153 364 and 153 356. And we have another Virgin Pendolino about to pass by, bound for Manchester, Piccadilly. Oh. And the next train to approach is going to be a Virgin Pendolino, and I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be from Carlisle or from Manchester Piccadilly, because the Carlisle one hasn't passed yet and it could be slightly delayed. I'm just standing back. Oh, nice little horn there. Oh! Well, I know the numbers on that. That is 39104 Alston Pendolino. Last time I was on that was when I was coming home from London, when I did me London weekender. Well, actually it wasn't, it was Monday to Wednesday. So it was more of a little holiday. And approaching now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino bound for Carlisle. Wow, they do go quick. And then we'll have one more train and that's it, I think. Okay, now approaching is going to be another Class 390 Pendolino. I imagine this one's going to be from Manchester Piccadilly. Sorry, I thought the cross country was here, but here it comes. Oh, well, that's a very inconvenient place to put that, isn't it? And approaching now is going to be a Class 170 forming the 1224 cross-country service bound for Leicester. and I'll catch the numbers when it departs to Leicester. While it is behind there, hiding. And the cross-country Turbo Star Class 170 is ready to depart. I can hear whistles going, so I imagine that means it's ready to leave. Yep. On for Leicester. .170 108, and as she continues towards Leicester, I shall conclude my video there. Thank you all very much for watching. It's all good, and please like and sub if you've enjoyed it. Also, comment anything you need to comment and I'll answer back as soon as I possibly can. Also, while I've hit 100 subscribers, I've done a little quiz where it's only one question. Answer this question for a shout out. It's still on thing. Also, you can comment this on this if you've not heard it in my 100 subscribers video. This station is on the Liverpool to Wigan line. It begins with a P and it's my home station. That station is what I'm doing on Saturday, next Saturday. And whoever gets it right will get a shout out in my video. So, for me here at Nuneaton, I shall see you all in Leicester, which is my next station. So, goodbye all.